In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix ChatGPT Upstream Connect Error. Let's get started. This error usually means your browser or network is having trouble connecting to ChatGPT server. First, try a hard refresh. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl+F or Ctrl+Shift+R. On a Mac, press Command+Shift+R. This forces your browser to reload ChatGPT and can clear temporary loading issue. Next up, check server status of ChatGPT. So head over to this website, status.openai.com. Here, click on the drop-down for ChatGPT. If you found out any outages, wait until the problem will be restored from the end. If not, you can follow other steps. You can check the internet connection, ensure you have stable internet connection. You can disconnect from your current Wi-Fi and connect using a mobile hotspot, or try the official ChatGPT mobile app. Likewise, clear cache and cookies of the browser. For that, click on three dots. Go to settings, go to privacy and security. Click on site settings, click on view permission. Here, search for ChatGPT. Once it appears, click on the trash icon for it and confirm the deletion. Likewise, check if you are connected to any VPN or proxy. In case you are connected, disable it. For that, navigate to this section of extension. From here, you can completely disable it or you can remove it. These services can sometimes interfere with the connection between your device and ChatGPT. You can also try opening ChatGPT in incognito or private mode. But before that, ensure you are using the latest version of your browser. If you find updates for your browser, just update it. Then click on three dots, click on new incognito window, navigate to the website of ChatGPT and check whether this works or not. And that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.